lovelies, and welcome back to the vlog. This is my view this morning. This brand new day. Winter is officially here. If you guys are new here, do well to like the video and let's have fun. Believe me when I tell you that my morning routine just got a whole lot easier with this brand new electric brush that was sent to me by H2O Floss. They've sent me this amazing electric brush that I just cannot wait to show you. So this is the brush attachment that comes with it, and this is how you attach it by simply pushing on that top button to release the brush and just key it into place. You only need a pea-sized amount of toothpaste, and the brush comes with 5 settings just for the amount of pressure you would prefer. You also use the power button to turn it on and look at that pressure, and that is just the lowest setting. So you guys, this is what the brush looks like. It comes with 7 attachments. The brush comes with a capacity of 300 milliliters for the water tank, which is usually enough for most people. Once the brush is fully charged, you can use it up to 15 to 20 times. This is an attachment that comes with the brush where you are able to drop a whitening tablet, attach that back onto the brush, and just give yourself a proper floss. Feels like I've just had a visit to the dentist with this brush. Now this product can be found on Amazon, but by clicking on the link that will take you directly to their website in the description box below. Now you tell me, what is not to love about this portable irrigator? Click on the link below and thank me later. Are you guys saying something? Winter today, winter is here. Winter have arrived. Turtleneck and everything, you guys. I should have even put on gloves because what? It is cold. It is cold. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It didn't funny. It didn't actually funny because now the pressure is on to get this car, because I cannot continue my life like this. I did not come to this life to suffer. How's everybody doing? Hopefully, I'm not sure, but I think this might be the start of a new vlog, because right now, to consolidate content, and I'm hopeful that I'm able to keep up the pace, because my schedule needs some serious adjusting. I hope I'm able to keep up the schedule, because there's a lot of distractions, things that I have to do, assignments. It's a lot. But anyway, you guys, welcome to the start of a new vlog. How's everyone doing? Today's going to be a really good day. I'm very hopeful that, you know, I'm going to make an impact at work. And yes, you guys, see you in the course of the vlog.
A few inches later.
Hi lovelies. So the time right now is a couple of minutes. Yeah, it's about 1:45 now. Guys, it's cold though. I haven't even taken off this thing since morning. I'm going to be heating up my lunch very soon, because it's almost 2 o'clock. It's about 15 minutes to 2. You guys, today has been a productive day, and I just uploaded the corrected audio version of the last video. It's not even the last video now, because my videos are staggered, so you're probably watching this video a couple of videos past. But anyway, you guys, I just recently uploaded that correction, and I'm really sorry for the poor audio in the last video. It's not the last video, but you guys understand what I mean. I will be going on my lunch break very soon. I brought lunch from home. Having rice and leftover stir fry and fish. So yes, I'll be going to warm that up very soon. So if you are new here, you are more than welcome. Do want to click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, that way you get notified every time we upload a new video, which is at least once every week. Alright you guys, so I will be catching up with you in the course of the vlog. Please do well to like this video. Always like my video. I know about over 1,000 people watch my videos, like at least after every month. So at least over 1,000 people watch it, and only a few hundreds click on the like I hardly get to over 200 likes. You guys, please help my market. The more likes I get, the more YouTube suggests my videos, and it just goes a long way to help my analytics here on YouTube and help my market. Thank you guys for all the love and comment. I see you. I appreciate you. I will be going for my lunch very soon because the girl is hungry. Alright you guys, I will catch up with you in the course of the vlog. Somebody's crying, somebody's crying, I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. So it is currently the close of work and I'm on my way now to report to my line manager, and then I'm going to be heading home. But thankfully I don't have to use the bus because my husband is coming to pick me up. Yeah, so I have to go and report to him before my husband gets here. It's almost time. It's currently past 4. Talk to you guys later. Oh my God. Okay. Here's my glove. Goodbye. Take it off now. Take off your shoes. Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Why did you have to play on
me? Adesso andate in camera. Non ti sto. Vai, vai. Pinci. Pinci.
No, stop. Now sit. Let's eat first.
Can't bring love.
Take, Daniel, leave the sweet. Leave the sweet, oh. Oh, love. Aibo.
I want something so delicious.
Oh, yeah, take. Is this?
Can't be hot. Don't shout.
It's not that hot, man.
It's meant to be hot.
And why are you eating with 10 fingers? Just make sure you wash your hand. I don't want any hands on the wall. Asha, please remember to wash your hand.
Yes, Mom.
Can we put this balloon away and eat first? Daniel! Let's the balloon. Let's keep it here, okay? Nobody will take it.
I want water, please.
Daniel, what happened to your teeth? You want what?
Water.
Yeah, Grammy.
Talking English.
Daniel, say it again. You want what?
Water.
Hey, what mirror? Ah. Asha, what did your brother say he wants?
I want water.
You want him in fear? Who was it, Muje? You still have your teeth. Hey guys, before we go, I got this massage gun from Bob and Brad. This is what I need. Now, if you've been following the channel for a while, you guys will know that I have been struggling with body pains for quite some time. So you guys can imagine my relief when I got this product. It comes in its own pouch. It is so sleek. This is the Q2 mini massage gun. Comes in a travel case like this that is great for traveling. You have everything you need. The gun comes with 5 massage heads like that. You guys, I can't even begin to tell you all the amazing effects that this thing has on me. I love this particular massage gun. It is so good, so versatile. I love the fact that, you know, when you charge it, it needs to be charged for about 3+ hours, and it's good to go for a couple of uses. I also love the fact that it is a post and pre-workout massage tool that you can use to help with hydration and also help with relaxing your muscles and toning them as well. I love this particular tool. It is so good. They are an Amazon vendor, so you know that you'll be getting this product sharp. I will leave the link in my description box as well as my discount code for you guys to be able to patronize them and get yourself this amazing product. I love the fact that there are not too many buttons, and just the power button can be used for a number of functions. Long press on that will turn the machine on. You can also press on that again to be able to adjust the vibrations and, you know, how intense or less intense you want the machine massage gun to go for. It also comes with a number of accessories like this C-type charger. It's a USB charger, as well as the manual that comes with additional information that is so important. There are a number of information for you to go through, like the how to use the machine and how to use each of the massage heads that it comes with. It is so good, you guys. I cannot stress this enough. I used this machine and I completely forgot that I was even making a video. I think I did this for about 2 minutes and I was good to go afterwards. You guys, I really like it, and after I use it, every time I use this thing, I always feel very calm, very zen. Like, it just numbs you for a while, and I think that's part of the relaxing effect that it's supposed to have on you. I highly recommend, if you work any kind of work, if you just want to have like spa treatment or relaxation, or you just want to ease tension, it could be from poor posture, it could be from, you know, a lifestyle of, you know, poor choices or just bad positioning, get yourself some Bob and Brad Q2 mini massage gun. It is so good. I hear that it's quite popular with the females because it's quite easy to use and it's a lot delicate for the women. But you guys, I will highly recommend this to anybody who cares to listen to me. It's so good. You don't even need that spa treatment that I've been nagging my husband for. I used to have one ache here at the back of my neck. I can hardly feel it, and I'm one of those people that cracks their neck. It's a bad habit, I know, and I should stop, but I don't know why. I don't even feel the need to do that. As a matter of fact, even if I crack it, there's really no need because nothing is cracking. This thing has aligned me. It's really good, you guys, no cap. It's really good. Get you this massage gun. It's really good, and on their website as well, I can see that they had some massage oils. I will probably be ordering that one for myself because The other massage heads that are inside this thing, they are for somewhere. They are for somewhere. So I'm going to be exploring this massage gun, and you guys, I feel like sleeping. This small thing that I did now, I just feel like sleeping because it's really that relaxing. It relaxes you and just takes off all of that. I even did some parts of my shoulder as well, and like zero tension. So before we go, there's one warning that I'm seeing on the box here, and I feel like this video will not be complete unless I mention it. Say it for yourself. They say warning: cancer and reproductive harm. Shall you sure you are saying it? Here. It's just there. Too much of everything is bad. Too much of everything is bad. So it says warning: cancer and what? Reproductive harm. Everything in moderation. This is giving me common sense now.